The first check from your side hustle feels amazing, but also tricky. Do you treat yourself? Pay off a bill? Save it? Let's make that $500 work like $5,000. This is about more than one check. It's about starting a new chapter. That $500 isn't just money, it's momentum, especially if you're a single mom or rebuilding from scratch. Let's set the tone right. Here's how I'd split my first $500. Real talk, real priorities, 50% needs, or $250. Cover rent buffer, groceries, bills due this week. Take stress off your shoulders. Even small payments on overdue utilities or daycare can create breathing room. 30% future, $150. Drop this into a savings jar, high-yield savings account, or emergency fund. Maybe it's your first step toward a $1,000 rainy day goal, or your starter investment. Even $10 in fractional shares is forward motion. 20% you, $100. Yep, treat yourself a little. Buy that planner, hoodie, or takeout. Budgeting shouldn't feel like punishment. Use this part for things that feel like relief, not guilt. If $500 doesn't stretch far, adjust. Maybe you need 70% for bills this time, and that's okay. Life isn't a spreadsheet. The point is, give every dollar a job. If you're ahead on bills, this is your chance to plan ahead. You can start a sinking fund for school supplies, buy bulk groceries and meal prep to save later. Get that car maintenance done now, not when it's urgent. And if you've got more than $500, even better, the same rules apply. Prioritize your future, honor your present, and build a life where hustle checks become foundation bricks. I also recommend starting a tracker from day one. Not for perfection, but for motivation. Use a journal, a free Google Sheet, or even a sticky note on your wall. Track what hustle you did, how much you made, what you spent it on. Side hustling isn't just about earning more. It's about owning your story. Whether it's $50 or $500, every dollar is proof you're building something. So spend it like it matters, because it does. Now tell me, what did you do with your first side hustle check? Did it go to bills, a dream, or disappear? Drop it in the comments. Let's learn from each other.